5 silly expenses that are stealing your money. Stop right there. Did you know you're probably losing more than $2,000 a year on things you don't even remember buying? Yep, your little daily treats are sabotaging your wallet and stealing trips, game consoles, or even your financial peace of mind. Today I'm going to show you the 5 silly expenses that are draining your wallet without you realizing it. And the worst part, you're probably making at least 3 of them right now. Stick around until the end, because I'll show you how much you could save if you change these habits today. Expense number 1, the daily coffee. That $3 or $4 coffee looks innocent, right? But do the math. $4 a day equals $120 a month. That's $1,440 a year. With that money, you could pay for a trip to Cancun, a new gaming console with accessories, or even start investing. Are you #team coffee shop or #team coffee at home? Expense number 2, ghost subscriptions. Netflix, Disney+, Spotify, Amazon, Crunchyroll. How many of these do you actually use? One is $10, another $15, another $12. Together, that's $70 a month, or $840 a year. That's a brand new iPhone, an online course to level up your finances, or a nice vacation. What's the most useless subscription you ever paid for and forgot to cancel? Expense number 3, eternal food delivery. Ordering burgers 3 times a week. Doesn't sound like much, but it adds up to over $200 a month. That's more than $2,400 a year. That's an international flight ticket or a brand new laptop. Are you #team cook at home or #team delivery forever? Expense number 4, impulsive online shopping. That Amazon cart full of random junk. We've all been there. Each $20, $30, $50 purchase feels small. Until you check your credit card and see hundreds gone on things you don't even use. Confess, what's the most ridiculous impulse buy you've ever made? I once bought a cat massager. And I don't even have a cat. Expense number 5, unnecessary transport. Taking an Uber for 5 blocks. Yeah, we've all done it. If you spend $8 a day on unnecessary Ubers, that's $240 a month, almost $3,000 a year. With that, you could buy a laptop, pay for a full vacation, or invest it to make it grow. Sometimes, a 15-minute walk is worth gold. These 5 expenses are like financial vampires. Vampire emoji, you don't see them, but they suck your wallet dry every day. It's not about stopping enjoying life, it's about spending consciously. If you manage to cut even 2 of these expenses, you could have thousands of extra dollars every year. Now tell me, which one of these silly expenses is your weakness? Drop it in the comments. Remember, small changes equals big results. If you liked this video, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's always ordering delivery. See you in the next video.